Hi Huffman first grade, it's Miss Lee here, and today we're going to be doing a phonics lesson to learn a new phonics pattern that we haven't learned yet. So we're learning something completely new today, so I'm really excited. So if you want to follow along with me, you can write with a pencil and some paper or crayons or whatever you have to write with. So if you want to follow along, go ahead and click pause now and go and get the paper and pencil that you need. So hit pause. Okay, so what I want you to do is go ahead and write O-Y at the top of your paper. We're going to start with O-Y. And what you need to remember with the oi sound is that OY is always at the end of a word. So one word that you guys are probably all familiar with and you probably already know how to spell is the word boy. So I'm going to go ahead and write boy now and I'm going to sound it out. So I know boy starts with B and then I'm going to write oi. And you can hear that Y sound at the end. B, oi. So if I were to write this in sound boxes, I would write the B in one sound box and oi in the next sound box. Go ahead and click pause and write boy. Okay, now that you know how to write boy, let's see if you can write toy on your own. Oi. Go ahead and write toy. How do you think you spell it? Good job. The way we write toy is t, oi. And just remember, oi is one sound, two letters. B, oi, t, oi. Boy and toy. Good job. Okay, we're going to write two more oi words with O-Y. So if you want, you can number your paper 1 and 2 like we used to in class. And these are the two words that I want you to write. I want you to write soy, oi for number 1. So next to number 1, you can pause the video, write soy, oi. Oi. Good. And next to number 2, I want you to write joy. Oi. Now, there are two different letters that can make the j sound. Joy. Oi. And we're looking for J-O-Y. Oi. So we have oi, oi. Notice that the OY is always at the end of the word. It will never be in the middle of the word. Good job, guys. Go ahead and erase your paper or go to the next blank space. Okay, now we're going to go back to O-I. And the difference between O-I and O-Y, they both make what sound? Oi, good. The difference is OI is found in the middle of a word. I want to see if you can spell the word coin. K, oi, I'm going to make 3 sound boxes for this. K, oi, See if you can write coin. K, oi, Okay, we have k, oi, Do you see how the OI is in the middle of the word? Same sound as OY, but it's in the middle. Coin. Okay, you're doing a great job, guys. Keep it up. We're going to write the word foil now. And I've made some sound boxes for myself. You can make them for yourself too, or just write the word. I'm going to write foil. Sound it out with me. F, oi, ul. It has 3 sounds. F, oi, ul. Did you write this? F, oi, ul. Foil. And again, the OI is in the middle of the word. Good job, you guys. I'm going to erase this, and we're going to see if you can spell some more oi words. Okay, boys and girls, we are going to write 4 more words, so go ahead and number your paper from 1 to 4. If you need to pause the video and number your paper 1 to 4. We're going to try 4 more words, and remember, they are all going to have that O, I, oi sound in the middle. Okay, the first word that we're going to write is boil. B, oi, ul. B, oi, ul. See if you can write boil. B, oi, ul. B, oi, ul. Boil. All right, pause the video if you need more time. If not, we're going to write our next word, which also has a blend in it. Are you ready? The next word is spoil. Sp, oi, ul. Sp, oi, ul. Spoil. If you leave fruit out too long, it will spoil and go bad. Sp, oi, ul. Sp, oi, ul. Sp, oi, ul. When I sound out this word, I say the SP together. Sp, oi, ul. Spoil, with that OI right in the middle. Good job. Okay, the next word has a blend at the end. We're going to write the word point. Are you ready? Listen to me sound it out. P, oi, n, t. P, oi, n, t. Sound out point. P, oi, n, t. P, oi, n, t. P, oi, n, t. With that oi right in the middle. All right, the last word we're going to do for today, boys and girls, is a challenge word. I want you to try to sound it out as best you can. The word is toilet. T, oi, ul, et. Watch me as I sound it out. T, oi, ul, et. Toilet. Okay, go ahead and click pause and check your words and see if you spelled them all correctly. Okay guys, now I'm going to make a little T-chart, and I'm just going to write my 2 sounds at the top so we can review what we learned today. We just introduced them, so don't think that you have to know all these words yet, but I'm going to write OI on one side and OY on the other side. If you want to make one of these charts like we used to in class, go ahead and click pause and do that now. If not, you can just follow along with me. I'm going to write some words up here. Remember, if you hear oi at the end of the word, it's going to be made with OY. If you hear oi in the middle of the word, then it's going to be made with OI. All right, our first word is going to be boy. Okay, so go ahead and write boy where you think it should go. Boy. Right, I hear the oi at the end of b, oi. It's at the end. So I know I'm going to write boy over here. Okay, the next word is coin. Pause if you need to. Remember, pause the video if you need to. Coin. K, oi, I hear oi in the middle of coin, so it must be with OI. So I'm going to write coin over here. K, oi, Good job, you guys. Okay, we're going to do 2 more, and then I'm going to say goodbye. The next word we're going to do is toy. T, oi, t, oi. Do I hear oi in the middle or end of the word? Good job, it's at the end. So toy, I'm going to write over here with an OY. T, oi. Okay, one more. We're going to do the word spoil. Sp-oil. Sp-oil. That's kind of a tricky word, but I still hear oi in the middle. There's an ul sound after it, so it must be oi. Sp, sp, oi, ul, spoil. Okay, let's erase this. Great job, first grade. We are super proud of you. Thank you for hanging out with us today. It was a lot of fun. And remember, you are doing a great job. And remember that we love you. Keep up the good work. Bye.